morning everyone. I am Sheshi Dubey, Assistant Professor in the Faculty of Law and Governance from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. And today I will be extending my definition clause of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. So we have covered from section 2A to 2D. So we will be dealing now section 2G, which describes the inquiry. Now what is inquiry? Inquiry is basically done by the magistrate. To find out the prima facie of the case, to know that what offence has been committed by which accused, and to form the charges upon the accused. So this is basically done by the magistrate upon the transfer of police report to the magistrate. Section 2H is the investigation. So investigation is done by the police officer. It is done by the police officer to investigate the case, to find out the evidence that what are the offences and what are the evidence are collected by the police officer against the accused. Section WA is given about the victim. Now victim we have covered, it in the very layman language we can say that the person who has received the injury. So in the case of, we can take the example like in the case of a rape case, section 375 and 376 of the IPC, we can say that who is the victim? So victim is the woman who has been raped by any person. So victim includes the legal heirs as well as the guardians of the victim also. So further adding, if a victim is dead in any of the cases, so that any of the legal heirs or the guardian can claim the compensation in the Indian Penal Code and the CRPC, that is the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Now, dealing with section 6. By ending section 2, that is the definition clause, we are coming towards the section 6. What is section 6? It deals about the hierarchy of the courts. Deals about the hierarchy of the courts. Which means that if any of the legal right or any of a fundamental right has been infringed, that what is the process? What is the step to be covered? Like, we have to first, starting from the top, the topmost court is obviously it is the Supreme Court. The second is the High Court, which is governed by every state, and every state has their own High Court. It is given under section 226, Article 226 of the Indian Constitution. If any of your legal fundamental right has been infringed, you can visit to the High Court for under the Article 226 of the Indian Constitution, and if your fundamental right has been infringed, then you can go under Supreme Court under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution. So first is the topmost court is the Supreme Court, second is the High Court, third is the Court of Session, that is the Session Judge, fourth is the CJM, that is Chief Judicial Magistrate or Metropolitan Magistrate, then it is the Judicial Magistrate First Class, and then it is the Judicial Magistrate Second Class, and the last is the Executive Magistrate. So the further section will be covered in the next session. Thank you very much.